Part 4, Shlok number 21. Chittant Drishya Buddhi Buddhirati Prasanga Smriti Shankarascha. Another cognizing mind being assumed, there will be no end to such assumptions, and confusion of memory will be the result. Commentary on Sri Patanjali Yoga Sutra by Swami Vivekananda. Let us suppose there is another mind which cognizes the ordinary mind, then there will have to be still another to cognize the former, and so there will be no end to it. It will result in confusion of memory. There will be no storehouse of memory. Shlok number 22. Chitter prati sankramaya tada kara pattau swabuddhi samvedanam. The essence of knowledge, the Purusha, being unchangeable, when the mind takes its form, it becomes conscious. Commentary on Sri Patanjali Yoga Sutra by Swami Vivekananda. Patanjali says this is to make it more clear that knowledge is not a quality of the Purusha. When the mind comes near the Purusha, it is reflected, as it were, upon the mind, and the mind, for the time being, becomes knowing the same and seems as if it were itself the Purusha. 4. Shlok number 23. Drishta drishyo paraktam chittam sarvartham. Colored by the seer and the seen, the mind is able to understand everything. Commentary on Sri Patanjali Yoga Sutra by Swami Vivekananda. On one side of the mind, the external world, the seen, is being reflected, and on the other, the seer is being reflected. Thus comes the power of all knowledge to the mind. Part 4, Shlok number 24. Tat sankhye pasana abhi chitram api parartham sanhatya kari twat. The mind, though variegated by innumerable desires, acts for another, the Purusha, because it acts in combination. Commentary on Sri Patanjali Yoga Sutra by Swami Vivekananda. The mind is a compound of various things, and therefore it cannot work for itself. Everything that is a combination in this world has some object for that combination, some third thing for which this combination is going on. So this combination of the mind is for the Purusha. Part 4, Shlok number 25. Vishesh darshan atma bhav bhavana vinivritti. For the discriminating, the perception of the mind as Atma ceases. Commentary on Sri Patanjali Yoga Sutra by Swami Vivekananda. Through discrimination, the yogi knows that the Purusha is not mind.